This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Vernon Mims. Newly installed wood plank floors throughout. Nice 3-bedroom 2-bath home in a quiet cul-de-sac. Home features a large living room with a gas-burning log fireplace. Kitchen and dining room are open to the living room. Kitchen has a counter for breakfast. The master bedroom is separate from the 2 other bedrooms. The master features a large walk-in closet and has a large window looking into the backyard. The other 2 bedrooms share a bath and look to the front of the house. Located in a well-cared-for subdivision of DeSoto, it is coinvent to major highway connections, 12 miles from Dallas, and near major restaurants and shopping. The house is not set up for housing and there is a no pets policy. For more information, review the details.